Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a Telegram channel. Well, it's pretty straightforward. All you have to do is once you have downloaded Telegram app and logged in to your account, just open your Telegram app, and in here, if you look at the bottom right corner, there is a pencil icon. Just select it, and there are three options: new group, new secret chat, and new channel. Just select this new channel since we want to create new channel. Give the channel your name, brand new, and give it a fair and fine description so that people can know about your channel based on this description. Fast and Furious. Maybe I want this channel to be dedicated to Fast and Furious movie series, and just click on this check mark at the top. So give this channel a type if you want it to be public or private. I'm gonna leave it public for now and give it a link what you want the channel to be called. Let's say a brand new Fast and Furious, right? And then again at the top, just tick this check mark. Now if you want to add people to your channel, up to 200 contacts can be added to your channel. From your contacts list, select them all you want, and then once you're happy, just click on this arrow button at the bottom, and there you are. Your channel is created successfully. So if you want to share the link of your channel, just go to this channel name, and then there is invite link. So click on it, and then you can also click on this copy link, or you can share this QR code. Now you know how to create a channel in Telegram. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. And if you still have any questions or comments regarding creating a channel in Telegram, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.